Hello guys, and welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you how you can transfer funds from one Alipay account to another Alipay account without any stress, okay? Well, before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Alipay tutorial topic, you get notified and then you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you can be an independent importer, that is an importation you can do without using any agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And also, if you want me to pay your supplier in China, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have interest, okay? So like I said earlier guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can transfer from one Alipay account to another Alipay account. So let's get started. So I'm going to use one of my clients here that want me to pay for their supplier in China. So I will head off to my WhatsApp here. All right, so this person here wants me to pay their supplier, this person here. So I'm going to click on it right away. So this person here wants me to pay the sum of 189 RMB to this account, okay, in China. So I'm paying this sum of amount of money to this account, right? So what I'm going to do, I need to get the account number. I'll just click and hold down and a copy, and I'll paste it right here. And so I need just the account number, which is this one right here. So I will just highlight. So I need just account number. I'm going to copy it, okay? Now I will go to my Alipay now. So here is my Alipay. So I'm going to pay for somebody. I'm going to pay to supplier in China on behalf of someone. So this is my Alipay, right? So the next thing I have to do is to come to the home tab here. At the top here, I need to make use of search bar, okay? So I'm going to click and hold down. And I'm going to click and hold down. Then I will paste the address. Then I'll click on search bar. You can see the person name has been searched. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on where I just circle now. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now this is the person I'm going to send the money to. You can see the person right here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on transfer. Okay. So when I click on transfer, it's going to open up this way. So how much I'm going to transfer? Let me quickly make a confirmation again so I don't make mistake. So I'm transferring the sum of 189 RMB to this person here. So 189 RMB. So having clicked on the amount, I'm going to click on transfer. Okay. Now Lego is going to connect just like what you see on the screen. Then I'm going to click on pay now. Then at this point here, I need to make use of my password to authorize the payment. Then I'll enter my password, Alipay password. So having entered my payment password, so I'm going to connect the payment. So you can see now that the payment has been made successfully. So I'm going to screenshot the page now, and I will send it to the person that asked me to pay to this supplier on her behalf. So for him to confirm the payments, let me screenshot the page where it has the person detail. So this is the person that received the payment, okay? And so I will go back to my WhatsApp now to inform my person that I have sent the money. Okay, so I'm going to click on here, and okay, so I just say payment made. Successfully. Right, so this is how you send payment to your Chinese supplier using your Alipay without any stress. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up. And also, if you have interest to in any one of our service, feel free to reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. I can pay your Chinese supplier, and I can as well teach you how you can be an independent self-importer. And I hope to see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.